Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you the most insightful beauty and wellness reviews. Have you ever wondered if your toothbrush is really doing enough to keep your gums healthy and your smile radiant? Well, today, we're tackling the Oral-B iO Series 5 Ultimate White Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush. This toothbrush is all about maximizing your oral care routine with advanced technology. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Oral-B iO Series 5 Ultimate White is designed to provide a thorough and efficient clean while offering features that help protect your gums and boost your overall brushing experience. It claims to remove 100% more plaque and clean 2.5x better between teeth compared to a manual toothbrush. It's an advanced model in Oral-B's electric toothbrush lineup, boasting a visible pressure sensor, 5 different cleaning modes, a 2-minute timer, and even a travel case for convenient on-the-go use. What really stands out about the iO Series 5 is its technology integration. The iO Light Ring Timer reminds you to brush for the recommended 2 minutes, making sure you don't cut your cleaning short. Plus, the toothbrush features a head change alert, which is a game changer for people who may forget to swap out their brush heads in time. And of course, there's the Oral-B app, which tracks how and where you brush in real time, ensuring you don't miss a spot. Now, let's talk about real-world use. I've been incorporating the Oral-B iO Series 5 into my daily routine for the past couple of weeks. First off, the design is sleek, and it feels very premium in your hand. Nothing like the basic plastic electric toothbrushes I've used in the past. The pressure sensor is a particularly thoughtful feature. It alerts you with a red light if you're brushing too hard, preventing unnecessary gum irritation. As far as comfort goes, I really appreciated the 5 cleaning modes. I personally preferred the whitening setting, which felt both gentle and effective at removing surface stains. The timer was also a huge help, reminding me to move from quadrant to quadrant of my mouth every 30 seconds. The app integration is an added bonus, although I will admit I was initially skeptical. However, after using it, I found it helped me adjust my technique, ensuring that I was brushing effectively every time. But no product is perfect. One downside I noticed is that the brush head can feel a bit large for those with smaller mouths, making it harder to reach the back teeth comfortably. Additionally, while the light ring and pressure sensor are helpful, they could be a little more customizable for those who prefer specific settings. Now let's get into the pros and cons. Pros: advanced features like the visible pressure sensor and light ring timer to ensure a better, safer clean. 5 cleaning modes, offering personalization for every need, including a dedicated whitening mode. Oral-B app to track brushing habits and technique in real time. Travel case for convenience, making it easy to maintain your routine while traveling. Helps remove more plaque and provides healthier gums in just 1 week. Cons: brush head feels large for people with smaller mouths, making it harder to clean the back teeth effectively. The price point is on the higher side compared to manual or basic electric toothbrushes, which could be a consideration for budget-conscious shoppers. App connection can be a bit glitchy at times, requiring occasional troubleshooting. Now, when it comes to value for money, I'd say the iO Series 5 justifies its price if you're someone who prioritizes dental health and wants the most advanced technology in your routine. The toothbrush head change alert and real-time tracking via the app are premium features that you won't find on standard models. However, if you're simply looking for a basic electric toothbrush for a clean, there are more budget-friendly options out there that will still get the job done. When comparing this model to others on the market, Oral-B's competition like Sonicare's Diamond Clean Smart is similarly priced, but offers different features like more cleaning intensity. It's a personal preference based on what you value most in your toothbrush, whether it's smart features, brush intensity, or the feel during use. Regarding build quality, the iO Series 5 is definitely durable. The handle is ergonomically designed, and the rechargeable battery lasts up to 2 weeks on a full charge, which is impressive for daily use. As for the longevity of the brush heads, they typically last around 3 months before needing replacement, which is fairly standard for electric toothbrushes. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As for customer support, Oral-B has a solid reputation for providing helpful customer service, whether you need assistance with troubleshooting or product inquiries. So, if you're considering this toothbrush, it's a great choice for anyone who values the latest tech and wants a more tailored, efficient brushing experience. If you're on a tighter budget, there are other options available that still deliver good performance without the high-tech bells and whistles. Thanks for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.